everybody, it's Taikina Beauty. I'm back with another video. This is a more holiday look. If you like this look, keep on watching. I think it's perfect for a holiday party. Definitely Christmas ready. It's super easy. Here's what you'll need. A blending brush for the silver, a highlighter, preferably on the silvery side with a hint of pink or red, a green eyeshadow. I'm using Pleaser by Impulse Cosmetics. A grayish silver shadow. I'm using Orb from, again, Impulse Cosmetics. A mascara. I'm using this Essence. A lipstick or liquid lipstick of your choice. A fan brush. Detailing brush. White shadow. I am using the white from the Lorac Pro. This is like a basic palette. I feel like it's good for beginners. Get on it. A red eyeliner, liquid liner. I'm using NYX from the Vivid Brights collection in the color, I think this is Vivid Red.
Makes sense.
This is super easy, so let's get started. I'm just be making a mess. So I am using the COULOURPOP concealer. It's too light for me, so I'm gonna use it for my eyes. I always use lighter, it doesn't really matter the shade on you. If you get some under the eye, that's okay, because you know we're doing this down here, so it really doesn't matter. Was it too? We're taking that white. That's just glitter residue on it when I was doing my research. And we're gonna pack it on there. We have the white on. Make sure you pack that on. I'm really mad at my camera because it stopped recording when I finished my whole look. So if you see some like marks, you see some marks. No, I'm kidding. Next, we're going in with the red liner by NYX, the Vivid Red. Gonna take some of that product off. And what's cool about candy canes, the lines do not have to be perfect. They come in many shapes and sizes. So I'm just making lines in like various sizes.
Look at a candy cane. You have your thick lines, you have your thin lines. Just make those.
There you have it. The one where you feel like you need to. It looks insanely cool and good. Not gonna even worry about that because I'm going to fill that in. Now with that brush, I'm going to, this blending tapered brush, I'm going to go in with that Orb color from Impulse and just swipe it under the crease. Not too much, obviously. Then I'm going to take that color Sable just to give it more definition. Next we're going in with Pleaser from Impulse Cosmetics. Taking a small detailer brush and I'm just wiping that all under the lash line. This looks so cool and good. Going back in with that tapered brush, putting that product there, you want to get a good amount. I'm going to stuff it under there. So this makeup look on this side is going to look horribly crease nasty because I don't have any moisturizer on, but I did it for y'all. Now I like Orb so much that I'm using it as a highlighter too as well. But I'm going to mix it, of course, because that's too potent. Remember, always tap, tap, tap.
Disclaimer, please do not put makeup on without any moisturizer.
Taking that brush again. We'll be getting rid of that. How I'll be getting rid of that is using a Morphe brush.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you ever do too harsh with your highlighter, you can just brush it out. It's simple.
But I'm going to be mixing this highlighter, well, this eyeshadow, with Impulse Cosmetics Hot Shot. This is like a pretty pinky red highlighter. It's just gorgeous.
So I'm using a flat foundation brush because I believe that flat brushes work best with highlighters. You should try it. You will like it.
I just think these together just make a gorgeous highlight. Taking Get Big Lashes Volume Curl by Essence. Using Plan 6 by Kat Von D. This is a pretty green. If you want a line before and you don't have a eyeliner or lip liner this color, you can use an eyeshadow if you have it that color. Pleaser would work great as a lip liner. I can just show you. You can even pat it on. Just so it can last longer. I'm going to show you how to make a holly berry. Really easy. The circles do not have to be perfect. Take more shadow if needed. Just making lines. You do not have to be Picasso. Alright. And there we have it, my holiday makeup look. This is going to be one of the first holiday makeup looks I'm doing. Well, there's going to be more, so definitely stay tuned for those. I think you guys will really like those. And I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing 2 items. I'm trying to do more during this month, but I have so much going on that it's kind of hard for me to cram everything into 1 month. So definitely just keep on the lookout. But this giveaway is on these 2 beauties. I know this is so old, but this was the color Barbarella that I used for my Halloween costume as Barbarella. I am going to be giving this away. And I'm giving away the Fenty Beauty. This is a veil powder, but I love this as a highlighter. I think this looks good on every skin tone. It's a little dirty because I did use it and it's so soft, just the material. But I am giving that away too. You're going to be winning these two. I think this is a universal pink and it looks good on anybody. Trust me, I don't like pinks and I trust this. But you have to just stay tuned for that. And how you can win is, tell me what was your biggest fear and how you overcame it. You have to comment that down below. And you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I will be announcing the winner in one of my videos. So you definitely have to stay tuned if you want to win these two awesome products. You can have them in your bag, perfect every day, and I think it'll just be good for the winter. So definitely stay tuned, and good luck to everybody who enters in, and keep watching for more videos. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or concerns, like, comment, and subscribe, and give me more ideas for things I can do for the holiday. I'm looking for more inspiration, and you guys are my inspiration, and you guys are the reason I do this. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Later.